Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Vikas.
My name is April.
So today we're going to show you how we live our life in a hotel room and how we usually spend our time together. So today's Sunday, it means it's a reset day. We'll do a bunch of cleaning, organizing stuff.
And I'm sick, so that's why I'm not going to be doing a lot of talking because I barely have a voice.
So this time it's going to be me talking about the stuff and taking you guys to our life, what we usually do. So come on, let's go.
Come on.
Come on, let's go.
We have a little list here of things we gotta do for today.
There you go. So the first one is going to be laundry. There's a laundry room in the hotel. Usually it's like $1.50 per wash and per dryer, and we have 2 loads, so it takes almost like $6 per wash. Second on the list is dishes. We have the sink in the bathroom and we wash our dishes in the sink, and sometimes it gets messy. It gets, really hard to wash everything there because we have to use the sink to brush our teeth, do our stuff. And the third one is change the litter. So we've been experimenting with the litter. So we've been trying to switch to different litter, which is this kind, if you can see. And the good part about this litter is you can flush them in the toilet, so you don't have to throw them in the trash every time. So I like this litter. But the only problem with this litter is my cat Smokey, she does not like to use this litter. When we started using this litter, she started peeing outside of the litter box, and that was the problem.
She peed on the bed twice.
Yes.
And then we got threatened to be kicked out.
Yes, that happened. That actually happened. The fourth thing on the list is throw out the trash. Is Tubby. Tubby, say hi to our viewers.
Tubby, you smell weird.
Wipe down the surfaces. Usually we clean the table, the TV table, try to make it look clean and nice. And the second last on the list is change the sheets, towels. So usually what we have to do is call the front desk and tell them we need new sheets and pillowcases and towels. And the last on the list is groceries shopping and meal prep. So we're gonna show you what we usually do. We go to Walmart to get our stuff for food, and then we prepare our meal.
This has been our best friend while staying at this hotel. Instapot.
Instapot. This is really useful. I like it because we cook most of our meals. And there's one more thing that we use to boil water for our tea.
What's this called?
Electric heater or something. I don't know.
Heater?
Electric stove.
It's like a
electric stove.
Yeah, like electric stove thing. Speaking of making food, I'm kind of hungry.
I'm hungry too. Okay, let's prepare our breakfast and show them what we usually eat. Let's go.
Here's breakfast. It's medicine.
That's our breakfast for our past 4 or 5 days.
It's good taking pills. At least it's plenty to eat. There's 2 of them. I'm full.
There goes her breakfast in her tummy.
What the heck? Why are you zooming on my tummy like that? We ran out of peanut butter, so we had to go down and get these little Jif peanut butter things.
There goes my bananas.
Ding!
That's what we eat every day for breakfast. Protein oats.
And he has coffee and I have tea. It's too hot to drink, so I'm gonna save it for later.
I'm gonna take a sip for you guys.
Because he likes to scorch his throat.
I do. probably. It's hot. So we are done eating and it's time to go to clean.
Hey.
Yay! Come on, don't be lazy. It's time to clean.
Okay, one more thing I forgot to mention because I haven't been really talking much because of my voice, but I need to say this part because I totally forgot to put it in the intro. But the reason we are here is because I am on a travel physical therapy contract because I'm a travel physical therapist, and he is just coming along with me with our 2 little kitties, and we have been living in this hotel for about 3.5 months. And if you've seen some of my other videos, you would know that already. But that's it. I just want to give a little bit more background as to why we're in this hotel if you haven't seen any of our other videos. Okay. That's it. Let's get back to cleaning.
And we're back.
So this is everything we got. We got some chips, some vegetable broth, chickpeas, some seasoning, some different nuts, pistachio, almonds, and a mixture of some nuts, some dried lentils, peanut butter. Then we got some of the refrigerated stuff. We got spinach and guac, maple syrup, coconut milk, kimchi, kombucha, mushrooms, tofu, and some veggies and frozen berries. And we have to squeeze all of this stuff, well, most of this stuff, into the little fridge right here. Obviously, it's not a full-size fridge. And this is all the space we have. And here's our little freezer. Alright, y'all ready? Tubby, can I see your paw? Let me see your paw. Good job.
It's time for lunch.
Twisting the bowl.
We go to this school. Never making the last 4 years happen, and now I get to make the fun happen for me.
You decided to re-enroll at Greendale.
What? Are you nuts?
What is it?
Greendale! Greendale! You guys want to keep it down?
Whatever, you do the math.
You said you teach math.
Exactly. I teach it, you do it.
Nice and warm. Just the way I like it. Bountiful fruits. We've been working all day. Just let you know, guys.
They don't care.
I know you guys don't care.
You what time? Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Ding.
Ding. Mwah. Yummy. Perfect way to end the night. We haven't had dinner yet, but
Yeah.
we decided we want some ice cream while we watch a YouTube video about one of the most dangerous roads in Pakistan. Oh, it's looking pretty freaky. Honestly, I may not eat dinner tonight, but I'm gonna eat all this ice cream. Okay, so it is actually only like 6 o'clock right now, but we are just gonna end the video here because we basically done everything that we need to do on our list. We grocery shop, meal prep, we did all the cleaning, the organizing, took care of the kitty cats, and now we're just gonna finish up the night by treating ourselves some ice cream and some YouTube videos. And I need to stop talking so much. Thank you guys so much for watching, and
Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and hit that notification bell, and don't forget to comment on the video if you like the video. We'll see you in the next one.
see you next time. Okay, bye. You didn't start it. Anyways.
Give me a high five.
See magic trick?
Yeah. Maybe she's gone. I don't know where she is.
Ta-da!
I like the matcha one.